What's an Amazon virtual assistant? What does an Amazon VA do and how do you get clients? So today I'll show you exactly what an Amazon VA does, how much they get paid, and how you can land your first client even if you have zero experience. My name is Mong'are and I'm a virtual assistant helping freelancers like you build profitable careers online. First, like this video if you're ready to make money as an Amazon virtual assistant, and let's jump in. Amazon is a $1 trillion business and sellers are making millions every day, but guess what? They need help. That is where Amazon virtual assistants like you come in. What's an Amazon virtual assistant? An Amazon virtual assistant is someone who helps online sellers run their stores. Think of it like being a personal assistant, but for an e-commerce business. The same way we mentioned about Shopify and another e-commerce. So that is what you do as an Amazon virtual assistant. So what are the common tasks that you can offer as an Amazon VA? Common tasks Amazon VAs handle include product research. This includes you helping the client find hot selling items on Amazon. Number 2, listing optimization. This includes you writing product descriptions and adding the keywords. Number 3, order processing. This includes you as an Amazon virtual assistant tracking and fulfilling orders. Number 4, customer service. What you do as an Amazon VA is responding to buyer messages. Another one is Amazon PC ads management. This includes running and optimizing ads. I'm going to give you a pro tip. You don't need to do all these tasks. Pick one or two and specialize in them and become an expert, and you're good to go. So how much can an Amazon VA earn? This is the most exciting part, and I know this is what you've been waiting for. So how much can you actually make? As a beginner Amazon VA, let's just say you're going to make $5, between $5 and $10 per hour. You may also decide to charge per project or retain a fee. But as an experienced Amazon VA, you may charge between $15 per hour to $30 per hour. And as an Amazon virtual assistant specialized in PPC ads, product research, and so on, you can charge between $50 an hour and $100 an hour. But there is one fact. Some Amazon VAs work with multiple sellers and make between $3,000 and $5,000 per month. So when I mention this, I'm not saying that being an Amazon VA is easy. You need to put in the work, learn everything, and then you can charge as much as you want or as much as the work allows you to charge. It's all about an agreement between you and your client. Okay, tools you need to learn as an Amazon virtual assistant or as an Amazon VA. If you want to get hired fast, you need to know these tools. Amazon Seller Central. This is where sellers manage their stores, and the best thing, there are videos online, there are videos on Amazon, or it's a quick guide on how you can use Amazon Seller Central. You need to also learn tools like Helium 10, Django Scout. They help you to find winning products, so learn how to use them. Another tool that you should learn is Canva and Photoshop. Seems like Canva is everywhere, so you need to make sure you learn about it. This is for product listing, images, and graphics. Keeper. Keeper is the best of them all, and you need to learn it because you're going to use it to track product prices. You're going to see the history of the products, how they have been performing for the past 1 year, past 3 months, past 1 month. You also need to learn project management tools like Trello, Clicker, Asana, or Notion. They'll help you to organize tasks for clients. I'm going to give you one pro tip. Master one or two of these tools and you will instantly stand out. For example, you can master how to use Keeper, you can master how to use Helium or Django Scout. So how do you get clients as an Amazon VA? Okay, I know you're ready now, but where do you find clients? You've done everything. You've watched tutorials on how to be an Amazon VA. How do you find clients? The best ways to land your first Amazon VA job is through freelance platforms. By mentioning freelance platforms, I mean Upwork and Fiverr. You can go there and search using keywords like Amazon virtual assistant. You search for Amazon virtual assistant jobs, Amazon listing VA. Another one is Fiverr. Go there, create a gig for Amazon VA services or Amazon FBA virtual assistant. Facebook groups. Go there, go on Facebook, join groups. You can join Amazon seller groups and offer free advice. You want to stand out as an expert. Post, I help Amazon sellers with, mention your skill, and then you can end with a call to action like DM me if you need help. Then there is LinkedIn and cold pitching. For LinkedIn and cold pitching, you connect with Amazon sellers and offer free audit. For example, you can pitch someone or send a LinkedIn message like, hey, I'm so and so. I see you sell on Amazon. I help sellers optimize their listings and boost sales. Do you want a quick free audit? Let me know. So that when you're opening a conversation, you want to start the conversation. So if they need a free quick audit, you can offer a free quick audit. And from there, if they feel you're a good fit, you can get on. Okay, the fastest way to land, the fastest way to get a client is to offer a free Amazon listing audit and give one or two suggestions for improvement. Most sellers will hire you. I'm not saying it's going to be automatic, but in most cases, they will hire you if they need. Other people who have done Amazon or who have offered Amazon VA services and are successful? Yes, there's so many people. I know people who started with no experience and are now making good money per month as Amazon VAs, and the key is to take action. So don't just watch the video, take action. So what should you do after watching this video? Go ahead and pick one skill and start with it. You can pick a skill like product research or listing optimization. Learn the basics of Amazon Seller Central free on YouTube. Start pitching, and you don't need to be an expert. The best thing or the best way to do this is to start. So if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. I have more videos coming on how to grow as a virtual assistant and make money online. See you next time.